Hi everyone, this is Jan, and I'm outside the van, but I'm packing in the van. And this cloth bag I made. I had fabric I got for like $1 for a yard. I had a yard, and I kind of liked the print, and I wanted it to be used to put my trash bags in. But I didn't have anything big enough, and the elastic, because of the heat and the cold, falls apart. So I just used this string, well, it's satin, and just tied it in a double knot, and it works real good for me. I have it hooked up at the top to the rod, and I think this cold is affecting my camera. And then I have folded the trash bags in a particular way so they don't take up a lot of room. And next video I will show you how I accomplish that. Well, somebody told me when I showed them how to do it, they had about 1.5 years of bags, and by folding them up the way I showed them to do, they got just about all of them in a storage bag.